It stinks in here still. It stinks bad. Like, look at the inside of the apartment. You see that? I don't know if they had a dresser there. That's torn up. Everything in their apartment's messed up. That's like a trash can. Nice.
Here's my card. If you have any more questions, you can always call me.
Oh.
That is the fire prevention line, or you can email me.
That's my little brother's last name.
Sanchez? There you go. Okay. All right. So, yeah, I'll be in contact with them and see about getting that extinguisher recharged and everything.
Awesome.
And all that. Okay?
Do you know who the fire marshal MS initial is? Because I see him all over town on all the extinguishers. Yeah, it's like Michael or something.
So the extinguishers, we don't do the fire extinguishers servicing. So what you're looking at is the contractor.
Oh.
So like, here, I'll show you.
I don't know, that looks really old.
Yeah, it's actually 25 of October, so it was serviced.
Yeah.
Looks like they're...
something fun in there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. So, this one.
I don't think anybody lives here right now.
In this unit?
Yeah, they just moved out recently. Well, does this one have charge in it though? Do you know?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll use this just in case, because I've been worried.
Yeah, no, that's why I was asking, because
cool.
Typically an extinguisher services about 75 linear feet. So from here to your unit, it'd be about 75. It's actually a little bit less, way less than 75 feet. The